How to fix and solve a WhatsApp app closing automatically when opening. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, open up your settings application in your mobile device. And once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on general. Once you are inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And then once you are inside iPhone storage, search for WhatsApp app and then tap onto it. Now once you are in this section, tap on upload app and then tap on upload again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by WhatsApp and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is uploaded, make sure to reinstall the application again. And once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open up App Store in your mobile device. Once you open it up, in the search bar, search for WhatsApp. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your WhatsApp application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then see if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, long press WhatsApp, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again. Once it is deleted from the device, make sure to reinstall the application from App Store. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.